Hi, now, we are going to learn plotting in AutoCAD model space. To plot your drawing, select Ctrl+P in your keyboard. Plot settings will pop up. In Printer/Plotter section, select your printer. In our example, we will select DWG to PDF. In Paper Size section, select ISO Bleed A3. Plot area, select Window and then click Widow. This will allow you to select the template to plot. Click Center Plot. In Plot Scale section, use the desired scaling you used. Then, select Apply to Layout and click Preview. The sample layout will pop up. If you are okay to the result, click right-click in your mouse and select Plot. Save your drawing in your desired file location. After you save it, your output drawing will automatically pop up. And that is how to plot in AutoCAD model space. Thank you for watching IEC Design Concept.